Hi, I'm Glenn with Family Handyman. We're here in my shop at home. You know, for projects during the day, I've got 3 large windows that give me plenty of light. But at nighttime, I need a little help. And a couple years ago, I bought this Metalux shop light with Bluetooth speakers. I'm going to tell you why I love it. After I added this workbench in my shop, I knew I needed some work light. I was at the hardware store one day and I saw this shop light and I thought, it's got Bluetooth speakers. Let's give it a try to add some music to my work. Now I knew this thing wasn't going to have the greatest sound quality ever, but it's simple, reliable, and it provides great light at the same time. I have it mounted to these shelves with these clips that came included. It's a secure mount that keeps the light in one place. But you can also hang it from the ceiling using these chains. And it's so easy to use. Just use this pull cord, turn it on and off, and it connects via Bluetooth to my phone. Another nice feature is I can cycle the lights on and off and it'll remain connected to Bluetooth in my phone. Also, this thing's portable. I can easily unclip it, unplug it, and move it to another workplace. So this Metalux shop light with Bluetooth speakers is Family Handyman approved. To see more products we've tested and approved, visit us at familyhandyman.com.